Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to fix VC runtime on 40.dll is missing error in Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7. Let's fix this guys. Before going to this video, you need to check on go to files and this PC, click on it, right click, properties. In properties you need to go system type, and if you are 32-bit or 64-bit you need to find out. I having 64-bit. Now you got it. Go to Chrome or any browser you will using it and type here run time on 40 DLL. Download. Go on any website. You go on first website you can. In this website you scroll down and here is 32-bit is here, 64-bit is there. You having 32-bit means you need to download this. I'm having 64-bit, that's why I'm downloading this. Downloaded, show in folder. This is zipped file. This is what we need it. Minimize this, exit this. You need to go search menu, type file explorer, click on it. Before going to file explorer you need to go to search menu and type file explorer option option. In file explorer option you need to go to view. In view, show hidden files, folders and drives. Check this and apply and OK. Now you go to file explorer and now you go to this PC and go to your local disk file you are using it. I'm having local disk C. I'm going in. Go to Windows. In Windows you need to search system 32. System 32, go on it. In system 32 you need to you download that file. You need to swap this. You need to take and put here. You need to continue. That will paste here guys. If you are 32-bit you need to go to Windows and you need to search here SYSWOW64. You need to click on it and copy that file. That's it guys. Hope this tutorial definitely work for you. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys.